Hello folks, it's Gary JSF and I'm going to introduce you to my new toy. I've only become really it's been out a couple of months, but I've only become aware of it over the past couple of weeks. This is a DJI Neo. Now it will fly autonomously, which I'll show you first off, and it will follow you. It will do trick shots, dronies, circle, a lot of the other little shots, the quick shots that the other drones do. But as I say, this is the lightest, smallest one. It's 135 grams, and it's really light. So, usual story. There's two buttons on it. This is the power button, and this is to select. So, excuse me. So, to switch on, press once, and then press and hold. And that's you on. Ready to fly autonomously. Now, little button on the front. It's sitting at follow mode, but if you press it. Droney. Okay, droney. Circle. Circle, that'll look at you and then follow around the circle. Rocket. Rockets go straight up and look down on you. Spotlight. Spotlight is when it sits and hovers and walks back and forward. Direction track. And then there's direction tracker. And then follow. We wanted it followed at first just to let it follow us and see how that goes. Also, on the phone app, you can fly it with your mobile phone, and it'll also take the microphones off your mobile phone and let you record your voice. And also, it has an AI where it takes the sound of the drone away. Can leave your voice sound a little bit strange, but there's two different settings on it. There is the pure, which is just your voice, or there is I can't remember the name of it, but it actually retains some of the outside sound, which I actually prefer. But we'll go now and we'll go with the autonomous flight and let you see it in action. Right, okay, now I have the little drone switched on and it's on the follow mode, so I'll press and hold the front button. Medium. Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1. Unable to take off. Aircraft in motion. Droney. Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track. Follow. Right, follow. Okay. Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1. Unable to take off. Aircraft in motion. Right, that seems to be have a shaky hand. Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1. Right, as you can see, there it is. It's ready to follow me. Now it's getting blown a wee bit by the wind. It's actually quite windy here. So we'll take a wee walk. Let's see if it'll follow me. So, it is following me. So I shall turn. And it follows the track that I'm turning on. And I'm sure you can hear the noise of it picked up by this microphone. Okay. Now, to get it to land, what you do is just walk over to it, put your hand underneath, and it lands in your hand. As you can see, there it is there. So that's that, that's the follow. The other, lots of videos that'll show you the other bits and pieces on it, but now we'll go to the camera, go to the flying it with the phone. So let's see that. Right, just connecting the drone to my mobile phone. It's usually quite fast, so it gives you a little tutorial as well. So here we go. We'll start this with a follow again. Well, that's quite low. Here it comes. So as I walk off, it should follow me, and as I'm looking on the phone, it is following me. So it should be recording my voice. So nice, flick it to that. So there it is there while walking backwards. I'll now run the 1080-50 because the little camera that I was using is at 25 frames per second. I want it all to be on the same type of frame rate. So I'm going to produce it all out at 25. But that's just following me around just lovely. So if you want to film yourself, your face, you need to actually walk backwards. Okay, if you want to vlog the camera, you use direction track. Now this is set at medium height, and it keeps me on frame. I'm using the voice recording on a mobile phone, and that seems to be working great. The only problem is when you turn around, it'll follow the back of you, but if you keep walking forward, if you're doing like a vlog, it will work. So there you go, it's keep me in frame rather well. I wonder if I see if I can get this to struggling to keep me in the frame. Right, so it won't actually come round to the front of you, but follow you back down the hill as I'm going now. Just go and follow. But if you keep going forward, it will keep you in frame. And if I can walk backwards now. So there you go, that's the active track, and if you want to vlog the camera, as long as you're going one direction, it will actually go that way for you. So there we go, and apparently if you stop for 3 seconds, it'll come towards you to land. No, not doing it. Oh, here it comes. So that's the first flights with the little DJI Neo, and fabulous little toy. That'll go with me on the motorbike regular, and I'll get a flight in different places. It really is a nice little toy. It is a toy, let's be honest. The Mini 2 that I have is far better and more controllable item, but this is certainly a great toy. So thanks for watching. If you've liked it, please hit a like. It's always helps the channel. If you've really liked it and you want to see more, hit the subscribe, or maybe even consider the bell notification, where the bell will give you notifications when I put videos up. But most of all, thank you for watching this one on my little DJI Neo, and bye for now. Gary JSF signing off.